you've been lied to about Forex. You that's possibly watching this video, and these lies are the reason your account keeps blowing. Now let's dive right into it. Forex is full of promises, quick profit, easy money, and strategies that claim to never fail or to never lose. If you've spent any time on YouTube, Telegram, or even on Instagram, you will probably have seen flashy traders showing cars, vacation, and big profit, right? But here is the truth. Much of what you've been told about Forex is a lie. And if you believe these lies, they will keep you broke and frustrated. And in this video, I'm going to expose the 5 biggest Forex lies that most beginners fall for, and I will share the truth so you can protect your money and start trading the right way. Let's dive right into it. Now, all I want you to do right here is to smash the like button, comment the lies you've ever believed at the comment section, and subscribe, turn on the notification bell, join the Telegram community, and let's dive right into it. Lie number 1. Forex will make you rich overnight. One of the biggest lies in Forex is that you can get rich overnight. You've probably seen ads promising to flip $100 into $10,000 in just a few days. Sounds amazing, isn't it? But in reality, Forex is not a lottery ticket. It is a skill. Just like becoming a doctor, engineer, athlete, it takes time, practice, and discipline. Of course, some people get lucky with 1 or 2 trades, but lucky doesn't last. What usually happens is beginners start with small accounts, over leverage, and within days they blow everything again. When I started trading, I thought one perfect trade would change my entire life. Instead, it nearly made me quit. The truth is, Forex will not make you rich overnight, but if you treat it like a business and build skill over months, years, it can provide financial freedom. The key is patience. If you're looking for overnight riches, you will end up broke. If you are looking for steady growth, Forex can change your life. And that takes us to lie number 2. You need a magic indicator or a secret strategy. Another dangerous lie is that you need a magic indicator or a secret strategy that always works. Understood? Many traders waste months, sometimes years, buying fancy indicators, subscribing to signal services, or copying random strategy they find online. But here is the truth. No indicator or strategies work 100% of the time. Indicators are just tools. They can help you read the market, but they can't replace discipline or risk management. A moving average, RSI, or MACD might show you trends, but they can't guarantee profit. Am I understood? But what really matters is how you use them, combined with proper risk management and emotional control. When I stopped chasing secret indicators and focused on mastering the basics, support, resistance, price action, I saw my trading improve dramatically. The market is not about finding the secret, it's about building consistency with simple tools you trust. So don't get trapped into buying course after course or indicator after indicator. Stick to learning one method and mastering it. That is how you grow. The truth is, your mindset and risk management are your real secret indicators. That takes us to lie number 3. The more trades you take, the more money you will earn. Many beginners believe that trading all day, every day will make them more money. But that is another lie. The reality is, the more trades you take, the more likely you are to lose. Overtrading is the fastest way to drain your account. Am I understood? I remember days when I do sit in front of my laptop for 10 hours chasing every small move, thinking I was being productive. By the end of the day, I wasn't making money. I was exhausted, down by a few dollars. Why? Because I was trading out of boredom, not discipline. Professional traders don't trade more, they trade smarter. Pros may only take 1 or 2 quality trades a week. The wait for the perfect setup, like a snapper waiting for the right shot, right? Instead of firing randomly. You know how it is? The truth is, quality beat quantity in Forex. You don't get paid for how many trades you take. You get paid for how many good trades you wait for. If you want to stop losing money and stop over trading, patient, a single well-planned trade can pay you more than 20 rush ones. Am I understood? Smash the like button, drop comment below. Come on guys, it's just free, it won't take anything from you. Smash the like button, drop comment below, subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to be seeing videos like this. Now, lie number 4, Forex is easy. Anyone can do it. This is probably the most harmful lie of all, that Forex is easy. Are you really sure that Forex is easy? Brokers and marketers make it look simple. Open an account, click buy or sell, and watch your money grow. But that is far from reality, right? If it were really that easy, just click buy and sell, that means a lot of people would have been rich by now, right? Forex is challenging because it's not just about charts and strategy, it's about psychology. Am I understood? The market will test your patience, your emotions, and your discipline every single day. It will tempt you with greed and crush you with fear. When I first started, I thought I could just learn a strategy and start printing money. But the truth is, I had to unlearn bad habits, control my emotions, and build the mental toughness to stick to my plan even when I was tempted to break it. And that wasn't easy. It took time and time. The reality is, Forex isn't easy, but it is possible if you treat it like a real career. Study the craft and manage your emotions. You can succeed. The ones who fail are the ones who think this is shortcut to quick money. The ones who win, they know it's hard, but they stick with it. And that takes us to lie number 5. You don't need risk management if you have a good strategy. This is the lie that destroys accounts upon account. Traders think, if my strategy is good enough, I don't need stop losses or risk management, right? I will just win most of the time. But no strategy wins all the time. Even the best traders lose. The difference is how much they lose. Risk management is the lifeline of every trader. It protects you when the market goes against you. I understood. Without it, one bad trade can wipe out weeks, even months of profit. With risk management, you can survive losses and keep playing the game. Now, when I lost like $200 in a single trade when I started, it wasn't because I had the wrong analysis. It was because I ignored risk management. I over leveraged. I didn't set a stop loss and hope the market would turn back in my favor. That hope cost me everything that time. The truth is, risk management isn't optional, it's survival. If you want to last in Forex, right, you must learn to control your losses. Risk small, aim big, protect your capital like your life depends on it, because in trading it actually does. So right here I just listed 5 lies that keep traders broke. If you believe any of this, don't feel bad, right? I too have been there. A lot of people has been there. But the moment you stop chasing shortcuts, magic strategies, or quick riches, instead of focus on patience, discipline, and risk management, everything changes. If this video really helped you, all I want you to do right now, smash the like button right now. Comment the lies you ever believe at the comment section. If you want to join my Telegram community, the link is at the description. And if you also want me to mentor you, the link is also at the description. And see you in the other side of life. Peace.